Introducing the 2017 Nissan Rogue. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.